In the world of business, a company's image is everything, but a recent influencer trip for fast fashion giant Shein shows how easily it can backfire. Intended to showcase ethical production, the trip sparked massive online criticism, highlighting a major disconnect between brand messaging and public perception. While some brands fight perception battles, tech startups are tackling digital perception itself by embracing AI flaws. One startup is reframing AI hallucinations not as errors, but as a source of creative inspiration for brainstorming and problem-solving. But as startups innovate, the generative AI push from big tech seems to be losing steam. After a frantic rush to integrate AI into everything, giants like Google and Microsoft now face the harsh reality of high costs and slower user adoption. It's not just product cycles creating corporate pressure. A new front has opened in the world of finance. A right-wing war on so-called woke companies is being fueled by specialized investment funds that target firms with strong ESG policies. Speaking of corporate policy, tech giant Apple continues to face criticism over its own promises. Its self-repair program, meant to empower consumers, is being called a mess due to high costs, complex procedures, and expensive proprietary parts. From PR nightmares to AI's growing pains, the intersection of technology, finance, and public opinion continues to create new challenges for businesses big and small.